Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change theme in your Vivo Y12s. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Vivo Y12s and you are wondering how to change theme. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and you're going to find here something say lock skin and wallpaper. After click over lock skin and wallpaper, we're going to find here themes. After click over themes, we're going to see the default themes and also we can choose here exploration themes. For example, I make my phone exploration themes. If I'm going to click here apply, I'm going to see my phone and just now I had apply the new theme. If I go back, I'm going to see my phone completely change it to new theme. You can see, you will notice that the item previously was round shape, now it's appear the angle or etc shape, and also some other modification also change. So this way you can easily change theme in your Vivo Y12s. Let me make it as it defaults. In order to do that, you click again here in phone setting and then click here lock skin and wallpaper. After click over lock skin and wallpaper, we're going to click here themes. After click on themes, we need to click here default, and after click on default, we're going to click here apply. So this is how you can easily change theme in your Vivo Y12s. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.